One of the first questions we get asked is what happens in a Chapter 7, and how do I get ready for it? What is there to expect? In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, uh, there's a few different steps. The first step is just to do the initial consultation over the telephone. Almost everything's over the telephone or over video conference these days anyway because of COVID, but here in October 2020. But it's an initial telephone consult. We decide at that consult, do you qualify for zero down bankruptcy? Is it appropriate is a bankruptcy appropriate in your case? Um, you just tell me your story. You tell me about what got you here. You tell me about what your plans are for the future. Um, we uh, we just kind of talk about the situation, what types of debts, all those things. And then if we both decide we want to move forward, we move forward with either Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Most people we try to fit into a Chapter 7 if they qualify, income wise, if they qualify because they haven't filed bankruptcy before. And once we fit you in to a Chapter 7, if we can fit you into a Chapter 7, and you qualify for zero down, then uh, then all you need to get us is the documents. We send you an email with the documents requests. You start sending us those documents, and once you get them all to us, including questionnaire, your bank statements, your taxes, your pay stubs, your car registration, your ID. Once you get all those things, then we prepare your petition paperwork. Your paperwork that we file is called a petition. We file it. 3 days after we file it, they generally assign a meeting date for the meeting of the creditors within 3 days, and that meeting takes place about a month out. And uh, that meeting is a telephone meeting with a trustee who isn't a judge, and it's about 5 minutes long. It's nothing to worry about, but all my clients worry about it. And we give you a list of questions that they might ask you. And we just, before the meeting, maybe the day before, we talk to you about the meeting just so you're not too worried. Then the meeting takes place and it's concluded. The trustee files the final report in a couple days after the meeting. And once the trustee files that final report, then 60 days and you're eligible for discharge. It's really 60 days after the meeting. But once they file that final report, we know that you're going to get your discharge pretty much. And once you get your discharge, your case is closed, and the discharge is what wipes out your debts. And so most of the clients, they're thrilled after the meeting, and then they're thrilled when they get their discharge, and just very, very relieved. I hope this was helpful, this overview. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any additional questions or comments in the comments below, and or reach out directly to me at fresh-start.law. That's our website, and you can pick up the phone there or set up a initial consultation. And look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.